Hi, I'm Kirsty Cullen, registered nutritional therapist at the Optimum Health Clinic. And today I'm going to share how you can use coriander as an effective detoxification support against heavy metal toxicity. Now, heavy metals such as lead, cadmium, mercury, and arsenic can all pose a significant risk to health, particularly when we're exposed to them over an extended period of time or at a high concentration level. Now, to clarify, for the purpose of today's video, we're not talking about heavy metal poisoning, which is of course a medical consideration, but more about the burden that chronic heavy metal exposure can place on our health, well-being, and even our risk of developing chronic diseases. And this is certainly something we focus on when we're looking to optimize the health and energy of our clients. So, how might we be exposed to these metals? Well, smoking, eating or drinking contaminated food or water, from industrial emissions, maybe even dental amalgams or fillings, or via exposure to old house paints or water pipes, or even from tattoos. And ultimately, reducing our exposure to these metals is a primary goal, but equally, we need to consider how we can safely and effectively ensure the removal of heavy metals from the body by supporting our detoxification pathways. As a nutrition team at the Optimum Health Clinic, we regularly support clients with heavy metal detoxification protocols. However, there are simple and natural resources that anyone can add to their weekly dietary routine to help to support healthy detox, and one of our favourites is coriander pesto. Now, research suggests that coriander is a natural way to support detoxification because of its ability to bind to heavy metals and effectively accompany them to the exit door. And there are also many fabulous compounds in coriander which make it a natural support for liver health, including phytochemicals and flavonoids. So let's look at how to make a detox supportive pesto. So, making coriander pesto couldn't be simpler. All we need is fresh coriander, lemons, and some extra virgin olive oil. And essentially then, what we need is one big packed cup of fresh coriander leaves, which I will take from here. And we're going to pop these into the cup over here. Just a few more there for luck. Okay. Then if we take a lemon, fresh juice from here, and essentially we need just a couple of tablespoons of fresh lemon juice to add to the blender cup. There we go. That will do there. And then from there, we're going to add in the extra virgin olive oil, and here we need about 6 tablespoons. And then popping on the lid and onto the blender. Into the bowl here. And then just for some extra flavour and taste, then we can add some grated carrot there, and then a little blitz of salt and pepper, and we're essentially going to add just a teaspoon of that pesto, probably onto meals, I would say 3 times a week maximum. It's powerful stuff, and that is your detox supportive coriander pesto. I hope you found this video helpful, and for more content like this, please follow the Optimum Health Clinic.